Well, good morning and welcome back to Log Cabin Firewood. It is a glorious, drizzly, rainy day at Firewood at the furnace. So everybody, this is my dad. This is Log Cabin Firewood Senior. And we are here at Firewood at the furnace today. Why are you here?
I'm here to be with you, Jack.
Awesome.
And check out this fellowship and see how all the people I watch on YouTube.
Awesome.
Check them out.
Thanks for coming, Dad. I love you, man. I appreciate the support.
Love you too, Jack.
It is a nice rainy day here in Perryville, Maryland. As you can see, we got the Easton-made flag flying high. We got Mr. Jeffrey,
Howdy, folks.
Mountaintop Outdoors. We got Will Wolcott from Wolcott Family Works, the chef of the day. And we're just hanging out. We're just getting started. I think the next bus is coming in here shortly, and then we're gonna have a little briefing and fire a bunch of these machines up and have some fun. But we have a lot of raffles and giveaways inside. Let's go inside and check that out. Show you what we got up for grabs today. So we've got some information on the Easton-made products that are here. We've got some shirts that are getting picked up by people that purchased them. We have an awesome skid steer attachment for moving equipment around if you have a piece of equipment. And tons of giveaway items. And Brady, what's your name? Dominic. We got Brady and Dominic. They are handling the raffle tickets for these awesome giveaways. And we have all this nice Firewood at the furnace merchandise over here. We've got Brad's mom and Rick handling the giveaway for this awesome 500i as well. Thank you guys for everything. The smokers are a-smoking. So every Easton-made machine that is here today has an information sheet right here available for anybody to check out in the tent while they are eating the delicious meal provided to us by Wolcott Family Works. Dream machine right here, baby. And we got Mr. Frickin' Jeep here. John?
Dan, I've been trying to get a hold of you.
Dan, are you there? Hello?
Dan's got a messed up can.
I can't reach you, buddy. So we are getting the machines fired up. I am in aisle number 2 with a 1222 from Mr. Steve from Massachusetts in front of me. We got the Axis in aisle number 1, which might need some go-go juice. Got a 37D. We've got my Dinosaur 916. I'm just kidding, it's not a dinosaur. She's used, but not abused. Listen to this puppy purr.
Team Easton made.
So today at the Fellowship, it's kind of a little bit of a miserable day. A little bit of rain. Now it's just kind of like a misty, overcasty mess. There's still a good bit of wood here left to split, but got Dude Ranch guys over there still rocking out with their 2228. My dad sat and ran my 916 for a while as I walked around and talked. The 37D got a bunch done. The Ultra got a bunch done. Let's walk up and check out what the Axis got done. So I want to say there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and I think there's 10 on the other side of the splitter. Oh, there's only 9 over here, but there's another one right there in front of that axis. So 10 totes that the axis is split in about an hour and a half or 2 hours, I think. There was a bunch of people here before lunch, but after the raffles, everybody went home. It's cold, it's dreary, it's disgusting. We are back several days later, and the weather conditions today are way more optimum for splitting wood. And I even brought along my little woodhound Veda. It's been very hard to leave her home alone by herself here lately, so I'm trying to take her everywhere with me. We'll see how she does today. I haven't brought her ball. She loves the ball. But this is, I guess, 3 or 4 days after the fellowship. And I told Brad I'd leave my machine here since there's still a lot of rounds down here in his rows, and we could just bust these rounds up with my machine, and when he gets more wood, then he could start using his 1222 again. It was a great day on Sunday. So many good people showed up. All the giveaways were given away. The raffle for the 500i, all the cool Van Dusen axes, the Easton made flags, the apparel that a lot of the YouTube channels donated, everything was given away. But while I'm over here and I got about an hour of daylight, we are going to fire my machine up real quick and split some wood and see if I can't at least fill this half a face cord up before I go. We got a little bit more split up. This phone's getting ready to die though. I guess I never charged it. It's been a busy week, but I got 2 wheelbarrows stacked up. I am going to keep going. The sun's still up a little bit. Brad's not here. I'm kind of taking over his wood yard. I messaged him and said, hey, let your mom know that I'll be over here, so she doesn't call the law on me for trespassing. But all in all, the fellowship was a success. Very thankful to be a part of this. I'm very thankful to be able to hang out with a lot of different people from YouTube and viewers that came from near and far. I'm very thankful that my dad showed up, and Teresa, his wife. They came all the way from South Carolina. That was, it was nice to see them. I don't see them a lot. And they came up and spent the weekend with me and played in the rain and split some wood. But that's going to be it for this week, everybody. I hope you enjoyed everything that you've seen here from all the other channels that have provided some great content. How about Everything Elliot and Dude Ranch DIY with all their drone footage? Those drone shots of the wood yard were awesome. It's a different view I've never seen of this place, and to see the nice straight rows of firewood was super cool. That's something I may invest in one day. Not this year though. But everybody, enjoy the rest of your weekend, and we'll catch you back here next Saturday at 6:30 a.m. Smash that like button. Take care of each other. See ya.